Hello! This week we're going to do an overview of the last 30 years in just 3 days. Crazy! We're going to be doing this in a modern way using the Twitter format. So your assignment for the next 3 days is to take a decade, the 80s and then the 90s and then the 2000s, learn a little bit about it, and then pick 3 events from each decade to represent it. You're going to turn those events into Twitter entries. On my page, I have a link each of those days to some video options giving an overview about each decade. So for example, today, the first day, is the 1980s. You can look at the links. I have an article if you prefer reading. If you prefer watching, I have a video. And you are going to pick 3 things from the 80s to highlight in your Twitter feed. So for example, here's something from the 1960s that someone created. You don't actually have to post your creation to Twitter, but you just have to write it in that format. So this person is doing the 1960s. You, of course, today will be doing the 1980s. They've picked 3 events: the space race, the assassination of JFK, and the Woodstock Music Festival. For each of these, they have certain requirements that they're doing. So they have a description of the event in 280 characters or less, as is the rule on Twitter. They have an image or a GIF, and they have at least one hashtag for each entry. So those are the 3 things you need to have. If you have any questions about this assignment, please message me. Today we're just doing the 1980s, tomorrow the 1990s, and then the next day the 2000s. So you need 3 from each decade, and you could submit them under each day's assignment. This person submitted theirs. They made like a Google slide and submitted it. You can do it on paper. You can draw your pictures. It's completely up to you. Have fun!